Alright guys, here we are, starting off the video at night. A little bit of a mix-up for today's video. Right now we are on our way to Pure Exposure meet at the mall, and I decided to switch things up a bit and take the KLX instead of the Corvette today. So hopefully we'll get some good shots here. Hopefully the rain holds out for a little bit. Of course I gotta get gas here, as you guys can see. My dummy light is on. But yeah, we are starting off at night and on the KLX. Oh yeah, don't forget to go down, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. We are almost to 600 subscribers. I think we'll definitely hit it by the end of the month, so let's try and exceed that goal. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. It's awesome that we're only about 400 away from 1,000, so we're getting close to my goal of 1,000. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I don't think there will be many, if any, motorcycles at this meet. I don't see a reason why they would turn me down though, because I'm on a motorcycle. But we shall see, because I haven't seen any motorcycles show up to this meet because it's relatively new. And this is also going to be the last meet, well, Pure Exposure meet for about a month, because they have to negotiate with them all as to, I guess, the meet rules or something like that. We'll see how it goes once we get there. This meet is put on by Alpha Visuals Northwest, so they take some great photography. I'll go ahead and put up some of the pictures on the screen that they've taken on my car. But hopefully they'll get some good shots of the KLX. I'm about to do some cosmetic stuff to the KLX, so too bad I couldn't have gotten them done earlier, but that's okay. As long as we get some nice shots. Took 1.4 gallons. A little bit more thirsty today than usual. That car is definitely going to the car meet. Alright, I'm sure you guys are familiar with this area by now. The stomping grounds of many shenanigans on the KLX and the Corvette. Drop down this hill real quick. Alright, here we are. Cheesecake Factory. Just went there for my birthday dinner. Oh yeah, it was my birthday this last week, so if you guys would like to, go ahead and guess how old I am now down in the comments. Some of you guys probably know how old I am based off of some of the hints that I've given you guys. But regardless, if you feel like it, go ahead, leave a guess down below. It's actually a nice night out tonight. We're right at 55 degrees, so it's not cold, and the gear I have keeps me warm. Alright, looks kind of busy here. Oh yeah, it's pretty busy. Never mind. I do not see any bikes, so...
Hey, yeah, you know who I'm talking to. Why don't you come up over here, baby, come on through. I ain't got a big crib, but I can blow your mind. She let me taste a rainbow, now I'm colorblind. Hit it twice and hop in the car and dash like Kendall. Can't tie me down, I whistle when I'm ready like a kettle. No offense, but I'm married to this money. It ain't ever gonna cheat, and it ain't ever acting scummy, no. So tell me what you want from me. Once you make it, then they all start to come running. They taking credit for success, but they ain't with you while you working. Now they saying you're just lucky, hey. Feminine and fashion, these diamonds on me, they dancing. I'm trying to make it and bag it. She backed it up, so I grabbed it. I saw the Lambo and damn it, I knew I had it. Just have it. Ain't got the money, but I'm gonna snag it. If there's checks, I'm cashing. And if your bitch is wet, I'm smashing. Ooh, there ain't no fucking about it. If you bringing drinks, I might end up drowning. Ain't no ifs about it. Ain't no ifs about it. I've been looking for this all night. And by the way you're talking, I might have found it.
We are done at the car meet. That one was pretty full for, I guess it's normal standards. As expected, there weren't many motorcycles there. Well, actually, I was the only one there. So, none at all except for me, but I think I got some good shots. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a run down the main part of the mall here. And then we'll go ahead and call it a night and finish off the video tomorrow. Okay, this should be interesting. This is the light where I think I almost got a ticket at, and I usually have trouble triggering these lights, so let's go ahead and see if I can't trigger this one. Hopefully a car will pull behind me. Yes sir, thank you very much. But if I can't get this light triggered, I have to wait the one full light cycle before I can go. But if for some reason the light does decide to pick me up, then it'll flash and give me a ticket. Oh good, we got the light. Sitting worrying about nothing over here. You know, since it's still dry out, why don't we go ahead and just finish the video off tonight? Sounds like a good idea. Might as well enjoy the nice weather and finish off this ride. Whoa there, buddy. Better pay attention. KLX is really just the best all-around city bike that you can get. Certainly a lot of fun, that's for sure. Alright, I think I want to end off this video at the top of the mall parking garage, so let's go ahead and get back there real quick. Oh, somebody just got a ticket. Well, maybe not, considering that I got flashed at that intersection and I didn't get a ticket. Real quick before we get to the mall parking garage, Embassy Suits. I stayed right up there, 5 floors up. Well, my house was down recently because of the plumbing, so that was pretty fun. The nice part about it was there's a manager's reception here at 7 o'clock. Well, until 7 o'clock. And there you get free beverages, free snacks, and $10 pizzas. So that's really nice. Also, you got cooked to order breakfast. So I guess it was a little vacation from my home. Man, it would be sick to have like a Can-Am Riker 3-wheeler here and just go through these corners and just drift them. That would be sweet. That was one of the things I was thinking about here when I was staying at the mall on one of those Rikers. Now that would be a blast. Just go around, drift every corner, do rolling burnouts. Now that would be pretty sweet. Alright guys, here we are at the top of the parking garage. Looks like a nice way to end the video. Get a view of the highway and the car meet here. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. But I think that is going to do it for today's video. So with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition days don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walking around with all that moolah, baby girl talking to me, telling me that I was a savior. Yeah, I think I'm a taker.
Whoa. We got a Viper here. That's sweet. That's awesome. Oh yes, we get to hear this thing get onto the highway. That's a sweet car.